What's up everyone, it's James from SCW. I am super excited to announce that SCW has partnered with Eufy to bring the amazing Eufycam 2 system to SCW. Eufycam 2 is the premier wire-free camera solution. It features up to 1 year of battery life, has absolutely no required monthly fees, and is stunningly easy to set up. And when you buy it from SCW, you're going to get the premium support and warranty that SCW is known for. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside the 2-camera kit that you'll get from SCW. One of the first things you're going to see when you open up this package is the 365 days of battery life right there in big bold letters. And that's such a huge selling point for the Eufycam 2 system. You know, it's extremely easy to set up and install, and the app is just a joy to use. And when you have 4 to 5 times the battery life of the competition, it just makes your life so much easier. You don't have to go up the ladders as much. You don't have to worry about the battery dying as much. Huge selling point for this system, unmatched battery life. And down here in this little small print here, we see that it's a full 1080p HD camera. It's IP67 weatherproof, which is the same as our professional grade cameras. And then it's got free and secure local storage. And if you look up here, it's a little bright, but it says no monthly fees. So I'm going to take off the packaging. All right, so I've gone ahead and unboxed the 2-camera kit, and I'm going to show you what you get. Obviously, the first thing you're going to see are the 2 cameras. These are 2 Eufycam 2s. Try to say that 5 times quick. And then you've got your base station as well. I'm going to go left or right here and show you the quick start guide. This is just going to give you information on how to install, any info that you might need. We've got some drill templates here as well. You've got your bases for installation here. So we've got 2 different options. We have just the easy magnetic mount, which just flops right on the camera. Let me show you. And then you can position it however you need. And we also have the screw mount here as well. So with this one, you just go ahead and you screw it in. And then you can position it however you want as well. So that's going to be more secure if you're worried about somebody potentially stealing your camera. Down below you have your screws and hardware for these mounts, a micro USB cable to charge the cameras, and then you've got a Ethernet cable to plug into your router, a window sticker, and then the power adapter for the base station as well. All right, what you don't see anywhere on the table here is the premium support and premium warranty from SCW. So when you buy your Eufycam 2 kit from us, you're going to be able to call us, all US-based techs with thousands of hours of experience to help you through any questions or concerns that you might have. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just give us a call and we'll be glad to assist you. Take care.